So here we go. Let's roll. No. So here, what is this though? Cut. Hey foodie friends, it's Dina here with EatLaughReview, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make hummus 3 ways. Simple, delicious, and cheap. I'm just going to show you guys real quick how to make it. Hope you enjoy it. But before we get into that, I just want to welcome all my new viewers. Welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to show me some love. And today's shout out goes to MAW. Thank you for all the love that you show me on my channel. And today I'll return the favor. Thank you, MAW. And now let's jump into this hummus 3 ways. Here we go, foodie friends. Let's roll. Okay, foodie friends, so here we go. Look how beautiful that looks there. Look at the buffalo. We have the buffalo hummus, the avocado lime right here, and we have the jalapeno, cilantro jalapeno in the middle there. So let's try it. Let's try the avocado one. I added a little bit of sriracha on there. You'll see in the video, I didn't mention it, but I did add a little bit of sriracha on the avocado one. And that spice works so good with this avocado here. It's so delicious. I really love it. That was good. That's a good one. Let's try the jalapeno. That has a kick. Good thing I only added 2. For you non-spicy eaters, go with 1. Because the 2 is really spicy. It's good though. You could taste that cilantro. It's so delicious. Creamy. Good. Now the buffalo. Let's try this guy. Oh, it's really good. My favorite is this buffalo. It's delicious. It reminds me of the buffalo chicken dip I used to have years ago. Oh, it's so good. These are quick, easy, simple, budget friendly. So you guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up because I like those likes. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.